how to create bootable USB drive for Windows 11 with Rufus. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 with Rufus. So first of all, you have to open a new tab of your browser and search for Rufus on the uh, search tab. And as you can see, Rufus create bootable USB drives the easy way. You have to click on that, and after clicking here, you just have to download the Rufus app for on your PC or laptop, wherever you want prefer. So I'll just download the Rufus 4.8 Windows x64. So as you can see, it's already downloaded. We'll just install it on our device. Yes, okay. We'll just minimize it for now. And after that, we have to download Windows 11 ISO file. So we'll just type Windows 11 ISO, and as you can see, we were on the official Windows website, and as you can see here, there are many options for that. So 65 devices are available. So we'll just click on that, and we'll just click on confirm, and after that, it will start downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. We'll have to choose the product language also. So we'll just go with English United States and confirm. And after it will start downloading, I will just insert a USB device here and uh, select the disk or ISO image uh, and select the file, the Windows 11 ISO file from here, and we'll just click on file system, and after uh, it will show ready, we'll just click on start, and it will automatically create the Windows 11 bootable device for our USB drive. And that's it. That's how you create a bootable USB drive with Rufus for Windows 11. And see you on the next video.